Welcome to this tutorial on Uniswap, one of the most popular automated market makers in decentralized finance. Uniswap revolutionizes how we trade cryptocurrencies by eliminating the need for traditional order books. Instead, it enables direct, decentralized token swapping through an innovative protocol. In this video, we'll explore how Uniswap's automated market maker works and makes trading accessible to everyone without intermediaries. An automated market maker, or AMM, is a protocol that powers decentralized trading. Unlike traditional exchanges that use order books to match buyers with sellers, an AMM uses mathematical formulas to determine prices automatically. This means you don't need to wait for someone else to match your trade. Instead, trades execute instantly against liquidity pools. The entire process is automated by smart contracts, making it faster, more efficient, and available 24/7. Let's compare traditional trading with AMM trading. In traditional order book systems, buyers and sellers must place orders and wait for a matching counterparty. This can lead to situations where there's not enough liquidity, making it difficult to execute trades. In contrast, AMM trading allows you to trade directly against a liquidity pool. This means instant execution, no waiting for matches, and liquidity is always available. The pool acts as your counterparty, ensuring you can always make a trade. At the heart of every AMM are liquidity pools. A liquidity pool is a smart contract that holds reserves of two different tokens. For example, a pool might contain token A and token B in equal value. When you want to trade on Uniswap, you're not trading with another person. Instead, you're trading directly against the pool. You deposit one token into the pool and receive the other token in return. This pooled liquidity model is what makes automated market makers so efficient. Uniswap uses a simple yet powerful mathematical formula called the constant product formula. It's written as x times y equals k here. X represents the reserve of token A, y represents the reserve of token B, and k is a constant number. The key rule is that after every trade, the product of these two reserves must remain constant. This formula automatically adjusts prices based on supply and demand. When someone makes a trade, the pool's reserves change, but the product K stays the same, ensuring the system remains balanced. Now let's walk through how a token swap actually works. First, you deposit token A into the liquidity pool. Second, the pool's reserve of token A increases because you added more tokens. Third, the constant product formula calculates how much token B you should receive to keep K constant. Finally, the pool sends you token B, completing the swap. This entire process happens automatically through smart contracts in just seconds, with no human intervention required. Let's look at a concrete example. Imagine a pool starts with 100 ETH and 50,000 USDC. Their product is 5 million. Now, if you want to swap 10 ETH for USDC, you deposit your 10 ETH into the pool. The pool now has 110 ETH to maintain the constant product of 5 million. The pool must have approximately 45,455 USDC remaining. This means you receive 4,545 USDC for your 10 ETH. The formula ensures fair pricing based on the available liquidity. How does Uniswap determine prices? The price is determined by the ratio of tokens in the pool. When more of token A is deposited into the pool, token A becomes cheaper relative to token B. Conversely, when there's less token B remaining in the pool, token B becomes more expensive. This dynamic pricing mechanism automatically adjusts based on supply and demand. Large trades have more impact on price than small trades, which creates a natural balance in the system. Who supplies the tokens in these pools? Anyone can become a liquidity provider by depositing equal values of both tokens into a pool. In return, liquidity providers earn a share of the trading fees generated by every swap. They also receive LP tokens, which represent their proportional share of the pool. These LP tokens act as proof of their deposit. Liquidity providers can withdraw their funds anytime, along with the fees they've earned. This creates a win-win situation, where traders get liquidity and providers earn passive income. Let's recap the key points. Uniswap uses liquidity pools instead of traditional order books, making trading more accessible and efficient. Prices are determined by the constant product formula, X times Y equals K, which maintains balance in the system. Trades execute instantly against pool reserves without needing a matching buyer or seller. Finally, liquidity providers earn fees from all swaps, incentivizing them to supply liquidity to the pools. This automated market maker model has revolutionized decentralized finance and opened up new possibilities for permissionless trading.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.